We're on the beach. Oh, we got up early this morning. We're walking on the beach after our coffee. It's quite spectacular. Santa Monica Venice Pier, 8 o'clock in the morning. Oh my God. This is the Venice Pier behind us, Washington Boulevard. We had coffee at the Cow. Now we're going to take a nice long walk on the beach. So friendly beach patrol checking out the beach. There he goes. We're on the beach.
Oh, this
we're
is
videotaping.
Video? Oh, hey.
We're doing a beach walk.
And doing some great shots.
Yeah. So we're going to add some more footage as we walk down the beach. Stay tuned. Wow, you hear the roar of the beach? Unbelievable. Birds are having fun with the rest of us. Randall and Lori, Venice Beach, California, Travel Foodies TV.